Hello, my lovely followers and viewers. Welcome to Fusion Learning Hub. Again, happy new month and welcome to the month of April. For those writing JAMB examination, this is your month of success. Fusion Learning Hub presents to you likely JAMB Physics question 2025. Score 100% easily in JAMB Physics. We are going to be looking at a likely JAMB question, and this question is from Scalars and Vectors in Physics. All right, so I'm going to read the question for you, and while I'm reading, I'm going to drop the question on the screen. A handbag containing some load weighing 162 Newton is carried by two students, each holding the handle of the bag next to him. If each handle is pulled 60 degrees to the vertical, find the force on each student's arm. All right, I'm sure you read the question and you understand the question very well. So in answering the question, I'm going to draw a free body diagram. All right, now I'm going to assume that this is the bag. All right, this is the bag and it's 162 Newton. This is the bag and the weight of the bag is acting downward, and this is the vertical plane, but these students are holding the bag each, right, like this. Force here, like this, another force here, and they said it's making an angle of 60 to the vertical. Means the angle formed here is 60 degrees, angle formed here is 60 degrees. We have been asked to find the force of each student. All right, now what we are going to do is, there's a law in physics that states that summation of force in the y direction is equal to 0. It means that sum of upward forces is equal to sum of downward forces. All right, so if I observe this free body diagram, I can see that the weight of this bag is acting downward, and also these two forces, all right, they're acting in this direction. But when I resolve them to the vertical like this, it's going to be acting upward. When I resolve this guy again to the vertical, it's also going to be acting upward, just like that. All right, so let's go. For the upward forces, I'm going to have F cos 60. Now, when you resolve a force to the vertical and you're closing the angle, you use cos theta. In this case, I'm closing the angle, I'm compressing the angle, right? So I'll use cos theta. So F cos 60 degrees plus this other guy again. F is closing again. All right, F cos 60 degrees, and these are the upward forces. Okay, when I resolve them to the vertical, is equal to, now the weight of this bag is acting downward, which is the downward force. I'm going to have 162. All right, then when I add these two forces together, I'm going to have F cos 60 plus F cos 60. I will have 2F cos 60 is equal to 162. I can say divide both sides by 2. I'm going to have over 2 over 2. Here reduces here, here reduces here, is going to give me 81. Yes, now I have F cos 60 is equal to 81. All right, now cos 60 is going to give me 0.5. okay, that means 0.5 F is going to be 81 over 0.5 over 0.5. F is going to be 162 Newton as my answer.